Assalamu alaikum guys. So today we are making Chinese. So first of all we have to add oil in it. How much you just like it. I just like to add 3 serving spoons, so I just add 3 serving spoons. Then we have to take chicken breast. I've taken almost 2.5 chicken breasts and I've cut it into small pieces. And now after heating the oil, then I will just add these chicken pieces into it. So guys, I have just added in chicken cubes in it, and now we have to wait for it until and unless it changes its color. So, and meanwhile we will just cut the veggies required for making Chinese. So here are the veggies. Now I will just wash them and then I will cut it into small pieces. And one more thing, my mother-in-law told me once, whenever you cook, say Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim 11 times. And yes guys, it makes a huge difference in the taste, huge difference in the taste. So my mother-in-law, if you are hearing me, so Jazakallah khair to you for sharing this beautiful secret with me. So guys, washing is done. Now I will just cut them into small pieces. It's too hard to do it with one hand, so I will let you know. So guys, for Manchurian we need this regular onion, and we have to cut it into pieces but not so small. As you guys can see, these onions are not too small, finely chopped, and they are like big chunks, and it will make a significant change in the taste of Manchurian. So very important thing. Chicken has also changed its color, so we are just ready to add up spices in it. So guys, I've added 2 tablespoons of vinegar and probably 2 tablespoons of soya sauce in it. So guys, I have added in chili flakes, 1.5 teaspoon, and you can see I have added Chinese salt in it, and I have also added salt in it. We have to add less salt because we have to add Chinese salt in it, so this all depends upon your taste. And guys, now I've added ketchup in it. You can also add tomato paste in it, and then later you can add some sugar or honey in it to sweeten it, but I've just directly added ketchup in it. It's almost 1 bowl ketchup in it, and give it a good mix. And after a while, when oil will come up, then we have to turn down the stove. So guys, now it's time to soak some rice. I've just taken these rice, and I just got them from Afghani store here in Austria. It's very hard to get basmati rice, but yeah. So guys, I have soaked rice, and this is the situation of Manchurian. It's almost ready. As you can see, oil is up. So now it's time to add some capsicum and onions. So guys, I have added in onions, and I have to cook it for a little while, and then I will just close it. So guys, now I've cut in the capsicum, and now in a while I will just put it in Manchurian. So guys, now is the time to add capsicum in it. A good mix, and like after 3 minutes I will just turn off the stove, because we do not cook so much capsicum. 3 minutes are more than enough for it. Now it's time to boil the rice. I will just add 1 tablespoon I will add 2 tablespoons of salt in it. So guys, for egg fried rice I have just added 2 eggs.
I have a gift for you.
In these eggs I will sprinkle some salt, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. So guys, now I have just cut down spring onion and capsicum, and now I am cutting garlic. So guys, now I've just added garlic in it. After sauteing garlic, and then we will add further veggies. So guys, you can see a slight change in the color of the garlic. So now it's time to add in veggies. We can add a lot of veggies in it. We can add cauliflower in it. We can add peas in it. We can add variety of vegetables, but right now I have spring onion and capsicum, so I will add these. Okay, we will just fry a bit of veggies, but not so much. Now guys, I will add some sugar in it and little bit salt. Now it's time to add rice in it, boiled rice. Okay, now guys, I will add some black pepper, and it's 1 teaspoon, some white pepper, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and now we will mix all these ingredients. Now we'll add some fried egg. So guys, here's the finished look of egg fried rice and Manchurian.